Understanding belt and braces, an English idiom explained. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a very interesting English idiom, belt and braces. This phrase might sound a bit odd at first, but it's a fantastic expression that can really spice up your English conversations. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively in your daily communication. The term belt and braces comes from a very practical concept. In the past, people wore belts and braces, or suspenders, as they're known in some countries, to make sure their trousers stayed up. This idiom has come to mean taking extra precautions or being doubly careful about something. It's like saying, "I'm not taking any chances." When using belt and braces in conversation, it's usually in the context of being extra cautious. For example, you might say, "I brought both a map and a GPS for our hike." Just to be belt and braces. It's about having a backup plan or a safety net. Let's look at some examples to better understand this phrase. 1. She always carries both an umbrella and a raincoat. That's her belt and braces approach to the unpredictable weather. 2. Our company's belt and braces strategy includes multiple layers of security to protect our data. Interestingly, belt and braces can also be seen in other variations. Some people might say, suspenders and a belt, in American English, which carries the same meaning. It's always about taking that extra step for safety or assurance. I hope you found this explanation of the idiom, belt and braces, helpful and interesting. Remember, using idioms like this can really add color to your English and make you sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to practice using belt and braces in your conversations for that extra bit of caution.